It's delivery day. I hope you're as excited as we are. Our delivery team will reach out to you in the morning to confirm when they are on their way and will provide you with an estimated time of arrival. Upon arrival, you will receive another communication letting you know we are on location. And you can expect someone to meet with you to make sure your expectations are met and to confirm the exact location of your hot tub. Before leaving, we will take a sample of your hot tub's source water so we can conduct a computer lab test. This will help us get your hot tub dialed into perfection and the absolute best ownership experience. Once the hot tub installation is complete, you will receive a final notification and pictures of your newly installed hot tub if you are not on location. We will also answer any questions that you may have before we leave. You will receive a video orientation of your new hot tub. You can also schedule a personalized in-store orientation. Simply reach out to the customer outreach specialist by phone or email, and they'll set up a time that fits your schedule. You can expect a follow-up call within 24 to 48 hours to cover any water maintenance needs that may be necessary. In the meantime, we hope you will make your new hot tub a daily ritual so that you can experience every day made better. Remember, you get out better than you got in.